Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Daniel LaBelle channel analytics. Daniel LaBelle has uploaded 115 videos. He now has 2.17 million subscribers with a total view of 462,121,273. His channel type is comedy. He created his channel since March 11, 2009. The grade he got is A-, and his social blade ranking is at 1,374th. The subscriber ranking is 10,505th and then video view rank is 12,887th. He ranked at 540th in comedy. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,850,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Daniel LaBelle will be $11,400. Monthly income will be $342,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. As a result, monthly income will be $188,100 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $2,257,200. That is how much Daniel LaBelle earned from YouTube.